do it. Boom. What? Wow. Actually, let me move this here so it's visible. That's pretty good. Okay, all right. Ooh. Okay, movie properties. Yeah, I think this will be like the first thing I usually did. Switch it to 30 FPS. Wow. All right, let me just. Holy cow! Whoa! Holy cow! Okay, this is something. I haven't used Flash, like the IDE, to draw and animate stuff in a while. Flash was really great at breaking that barrier, when the barrier that you can draw and animate that thing that you just draw, like right now. So for example, let's just say that you want to build like you have a circle and you want to animate it here. You would do insert keyframe, move it here, whatever you want, and then you select the keyframes and you see create motion tween. Oh my god. And now you have your animation. Oh no way. Yeah, this is it. This was it. Holy cow. Okay, and I know there was something like wait, here, in fact no. Oh, the easing. Yeah. You could you could ease the animation, so you get that easing effect. Oh, but you actually have to select the whole tween, right? Yeah, that's right. Tweening motion. Oh yeah, exactly. There you go. Oh my god. All right. Okay. All right. Holy cow. Okay. Let me get my thoughts. This was. Oof. Okay. Let me create a new layer. You know what? Let's do a game. Let's do a tic-tac-toe game, right? So, okay. An hour or so later, and the game is ready. Do you want to see it? Here it is. 2020 tic-tac-toe. Here we have the grid. You move over with your mouse and you have the button and the hover style, and then you have to press a symbol, right? It does everything, says who's next, and also checks for the winner, right? So it does everything that the game should be doing. I really loved the experience. I feel like it felt really empowering. So for example, I spent programming time or just thinking about the logic, building the grid and generating it on the fly or dynamically, also passing it out the state. And I didn't have to think about the animation part. And I think that's something that, for example, on the web right now, right, you have to think about the animation stuff and how do you do that programmatically. So, for example, just pulsating the winner, you have CSS and you can do it programmatically through CSS and so on. But uh, for the argument's sake, uh, how I did it was I just animated this through my timeline, and that was it. I didn't have to like think about, oh, is this cross browser, things like that or whatever. And the only thing that I could think about, or I had to think about, was how should I animate it. That's it. That's the only thing that I need to take care about. Um, and that's it, and it was like taking a burden off your shoulder, so to speak, right? Because the animation part and the graphic part could be done by a person who's who's talented in that way and wants to do that, and the programmatic part could be left to the person who wants to do that. But the beautiful thing is, both of those persons are working on the same platform. So I think that's the value of Flash. Unifying the context where the programming and the design meet. And that's why I think Flash was had such a big impact on the web platform overall. It was such a great ride. It was fun building this game. So thank you so much. Have a nice one.